everybody, I'm Rose Carmody, and welcome to the rundown for January 5th, 2021. I hope everyone has had a great week. This week was Catholic Schools Week, a celebration of Catholic education all around the United States, and in particular, Loyola College Prep. Throughout this week, schools focused on the values of Catholic education.
47 years ago, the National Catholic Education Association devoted a week of celebration for Catholic schools around the country. Catholic Schools Week is an exciting week for our Flyers to proudly live their faith. I talked to some students and faculty to get a recap of this special week.
Well, this has been a really exciting week for Catholic Schools Week. I'm really happy with all the participation for the door decorating competition. So far, we have had 20 people decorate their doors, so I'm really excited to make that announcement. And it's just a wonderful way to celebrate the Catholic faith, our Catholic schools, and also to honor students, faculty that work at the school that dedicate their lives to this school.
Me and Max won the trivia. The questions were kind of hard, but we pushed through.
I didn't listen to him on the first one, listened to him after. Overcame some adversity. We won the Catholic Schools Week Kahoot. Won a $25 Amazon card. We're actually splitting it right down the middle. Like we're getting $12.50 each.
I love seeing all the excitement and joy that radiates through our school this week. It really brings to light our Catholic faith. This has been Alyssa Montriano-Lim.
Catholic Schools Week was a very special week for all of Loyola. Thank you to everyone who helped make this week special. You may have noticed the doors were looking a little different this week. The door decoration competition is a big part of Catholic Schools Week at Loyola. Here's Lainey Mole with the details.
As most of you have seen, the doors around the school have had some pretty cool and fun designs. As a celebration of Catholic Schools Week, the religion team asked everyone to decorate the doors with the theme of faith, excellence, and service. The teacher with the winning door will win an Amazon gift card. Here's a look at some of the doors entered in the contest. Best of luck, teachers, and may the best door win. This has been Lainey Mole.
All of the doors looked amazing. Good job, students and faculty. Another special activity happening this week is Loyola's annual open house. This year's open house might look a little different, but Loyola never fails to pull it off. Here's Will Rayburn to tell us all about it.
As most of you know, our second open house was this week. I talked to Mr. Klein and a few students to hear their thoughts on open house.
This is a very special week for Loyola. Not only is it Catholic Schools Week, but it is also our winter open house. What makes this open house so special is the response that we've received from our public school prospective students. I've been excited to take them around, to tour them about and showcase our classes and what truly makes us different from a public school environment. And I hope that they all enjoyed their time here and will be Flyers in the fall.
Right when I came to the open house, it was a great environment, a great feeling. I just knew I wanted to come to Loyola. It was just great people and it was a fun time.
As soon as I came here for open house, I just saw the faculty and people here, and I just knew that this was the place for me, and I just really liked the environment.
I like seeing kids from my old school tour here because I think it'd be a great fit for them too. I think they'd do well here.
It's just so pleasing to see my old pals and friends from First Baptist, and I know it'll fit like a glove for anyone coming here.
Hoping the second open house went just as great as the first one. This has been Will Rayburn.
Make sure to wave and say hello to potential Loyola students. Do you ever think about who is behind the making of the rundown, video announcements, hype videos, flyer minutes? Well, here's Lacey Johnson to show us all how it gets done.
Everyone at Loyola has heard about Media Arts, but a lot of people have questions about everything that goes into the productions that we do. Let's go up to room 200, where Lacey Johnson will take you through a little bit about what goes on every day.
Welcome to room 200, where all the Media Arts magic happens. Let's go take a look at what goes on.
First, we have the production table. The crew is in charge of producing the rundown, filming the anchor, and running all virtual announcements. Next, we have the sports department. Each Thursday, they create and produce a sports recap video, including all Flyer athletics. Finally, we have the members of Media Arts 1 and 2 that are currently working on their rundown segments, Flyer minutes, and special projects for both Loyola and our community. You can find all of our videos on YouTube at lcp.tv.
We hope you've enjoyed this inside glimpse of our special media arts class. This has been Lacey Johnson.
Media Arts always produces great videos. That's all for this week's rundown. Have a great weekend, Flyers.
The hard work y'all put into it.
Sports aren't the only thing starting back this week. Our clubs are in full swing. Book club,
Wow, guys, that was awesome. That was so cool.
Students to see which season they prefer.